This game sucks.
Ah, I see you would like some new games. Well, put your hands out, little boy.
No way! Thanks, voice from inside my head. Guys, if I can spin this fidget spinner on this iPod for 5 seconds, you have to smash the like button. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, guys. Now you have to smash the like button. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Krusty Jason here. Today, we are going to be playing Chicken Hunter for the PC. The redneck chicken hunt is on. Chickens are on the loose, hiding, running, fishing, and flying. Chickens are everywhere. It's up to you and your dead-eye aim to save the farm. No way! Hunt till you drop in an amazing 3D environment with hidden puzzles and extra features that make this game hilariously addictive. No way! I'm so excited!
Seems living large. About as large as my fidget spinner.
So guys, let's get right into this video.
So guys, here we are, Chicken Hunter. I'm really excited to open this game. So let's just rip it right on open. Let's just.
I'm so excited!
Where's the disc? Oh, there's the disc. Okay, guys. So here it is, Chicken Hunter. It looks pretty good of a game. A little dirty. I can just. So guys, here it is. We're about to run setup for the game. We're gonna get to play it. I'm super duper excited. Oh my gosh, I can't even hold my excitement. Oh no. Welcome to the install wizard for Chicken Hunter. Ah! What? We're going. No. What? Why would we want to use an existing folder? Let's install our program. Oh, done. Okay, guys. Let's play. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so excited. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. We gotta play. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this intense gameplay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, we're running out of time. Oh crud. The chickens are attacking. Oh my gosh, guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh. We did it. We got it. 0 points, guys. Whoa. Wow, guys. This game is amazing. Wow, that was so fun, guys. You know, with a game like this, you know, you just do this. You just want to grab the disc. And you just wanna just take and you just go. I'm never playing this game again.
I hope y'all guys enjoyed Chicken Hunt. I know I did. This game was amazing, man. This game was real good. Just amazing game. I recommend it to you. Like, this game is... It's action-packed, man. There's extreme 3D gameplay. Just, it's amazing, man. You should go play it. Next, we will be reviewing Jewel Quest. I'm excited. I think this is going to be way better than that crappy game right there. Let's go ahead and open the packaging.